Hi, everybody. My name is Andrew Davis, and I'm a GDA student at Cogswell College.
I'm John Mariano, and I am a animation student at Cogswell College. Also, robots rule.
Frackin' toaster. And we're making a game called Battlestar Galactica Kobol Vengeance, where you play as an admiral of an experimental battlestar who, after hearing about the destruction of the 12 colonies, goes to where the Cylons were based before they destroyed the 12 colonies and destroy their homes. And where it will eventually lead to him plugging an AI into the Cylon mainframe and turning the Cylons good.
And so the basic genre of the game is going to be a first-person strategy game that's normally just targeted towards teenagers. And there's going to be two types of gameplay in this, which is ground gameplay and space gameplay.
Okay.
Ground gameplay pretty much is consisting of the player having a few AI robots with them, and then you would go capture.
The player fights the robots.
Yeah, the player fights the robots, and then you would go and capture these points by getting to a certain vicinity, and then they normally consist of 3 to 5 or 6 points per map. And then you would stand on them, capture them, and then if you capture all of them, and you can keep them captured for a good 5 minutes, then you win.
Okay. And how space combat works is you have your group of ships, big ships, the battle stars and the mini frigates, versus the Cylon base stars and ships and fighters and stuff. And in space combat, your objective would be pretty much to destroy their base star before they destroy your base star. And your base star battlestar has a big amount of health, and their base star has a certain amount of health. You gotta destroy them while dodging fighters and stuff. And after you win, you either in ground or space, you get resources that you can use to build better fleets, better ships, and better infantry. That way, when you go in your next engagement, it'll either be easier or better, or it can help you strategize better.
Mm-hmm.
So say we all.
So say we all.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.